how to change color ID style on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here in the top corner, then click settings and here scroll down until you find this one, color ID. Click color ID and scroll down until you find choose style and select full screen if you want and click set as default. And that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.